It's a pretty big full set there. I think we're probably on the what you call them, sliders. And there's the sliders. Okie dokie. Do. Let's see what's inside of this thing. I haven't been inside of here yet. Let my people go. Alright. This will require some kind of let's see, anti-pinch word. There's two types of these kinds of snap ring pliers. There's the pinch word and anti-pinch word, in case you're looking for the technical names of those things. I know you were. Wonder how long that thing's gonna live. That guy's seen some stuff. Okay. When dealing with sliders, always make sure you go with the key. Just because the sliders like to pop out. Is this a thick shim? Yeah, it looks like it's fine. Okay. Should be okay. Just make sure that's centered enough. Let's see what kind of... Also, make sure you get grabby about where the sidebar might be. I feel it trying to come out. Okay. Let's let that guy pop out. Okay. Nothing really special about that sidebar. Whoa. Got a couple of sidebar springlings. Looks like some drill protection, blah, blah, blah. We'll get to those sliders momentarily. Let's see, 6 of those guys. Should work fine in here. Oopsie doodle. Actually, I'm going to start over here. Key pins. Typically the boring part. Okay, nothing too special going on in there. Looks like there's milling in here that just stops those key pins from falling down, as we might expect. All right. Make sure you cover these. So, I mean, they are sprung, so you don't want the springs to sprung. Do these have false gates? Oh, there's a little tiny notch in there. It's probably supposed to be a false gate. I think I felt it. Not on that one, but in this one, it did catch a little early until I moved on and set another one, and then I had to go back. Yeah. So they're not particularly effective little serration things, but they will make you sort of stop and wonder whether or not you're set. Okay. Grab some tweezers for this task. Don't stab yourself with the other tweezers. Gee whiz. Standard. Kind of expected that. 2, I'm sure, is a spool. 3's probably a standard. It's a big spring. Two is in fact some kind of interesting barrel spool. Reminds me a little bit of GG pin. Three is a standard. Do. 4 is a standard. I didn't really feel much going on in there. It might just be more standards from here on out. I think there's another spool in there. 5 might be a spool. Get out. Get out. Gee whiz. That did not want to get out of there. Okay. 5 is not a spool. Here I am talking about spools and such. Get that guy out of there. Come on. Well, let's get this one from the other side. There it is. Okay. It was 6. It was the other spool. Not totally crazy. I mean, not about that anyway. Okay, and sidebar groove, or that's about it. Let's take a little closer look at what we got here. Let's get the pointy tweezers. So 6 pins, so that's maybe not quite a spool. It's a weird tapery doodad. This kind of double spool guy there. Otherwise 4 standard pins and 4 sliders. 3 of which had some kind of serration that makes you move on, but doesn't really fool you long term. You can just push right past. It doesn't feel set, particularly after you move to the next pin. So not very effective. Yep, there it is.